Welcome to Breakout EDU. This is the setup video for Race to the Hogwarts Scavenger Hunt Cup created by Catherine Jakovich. The story. Hurry! Harry, Ron, and Hermione need your help. Professor McGonagall just announced that the 4 houses in Hogwarts will be racing to win the annual House Scavenger Hunt. In each house of Hogwarts, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, and Gryffindor, there is a hidden key that must be found. You will need to put your magic and math skills to the test to find them. When all 4 keys are found, they can be used to unlock Professor Dumbledore's corridor where the House Scavenger Hunt Cup and 1,000 house points are waiting. Time is running out. You must help Harry, Ron, and Hermione win the house hunt and the glory. Grab your wands and your math knowing noggins and let's go. For this breakout, you will need boxes, other kit items, locks, and some printable resources. For the boxes, you will need the large breakout box and the small breakout box, as well as the hasp and reflection cards. For the locks, you will need 5 different locks. The 3-digit lock code is 528. The 4-digit lock code is 8059. The ABC multi-lock code is Valor, VALOR, and the color lock code is yellow, green, red, pink. For the key lock, you will place the key for that lock inside of this small box, as you will see later on. For the resources, these can be found in a Google Drive folder, which is linked on this slide, and it is also available on the OER website. Game overview. First, you will want to print the victory sign and the reflection cards and put those in the large box. Then you will set the locks. On the large box, there will be the 3-digit lock, 4-digit lock, letter lock, and the key lock. You will place the key for the key lock inside the small box and lock the small box with the color lock. Then you will go into the linked Google folder and start printing out the resources. For Hufflepuff puzzle number 1, there is a part 1 and 2. You will print these 2 images on 1 sheet, double-sided, or 2 single-sided sheets and tape them or glue them together. And then you will want to cut them into some puzzle pieces. Then you will print the other 5 resources that are available. The Hufflepuff puzzle number 1 is a puzzle with the badger crest. They will put that puzzle together, and once they have successfully done so, they can flip it over and start to solve the equations on the back. In the description, it talks about putting the motto back in order. As you can see on the left side, there is the motto all out of order. They will put that in order as those patient Hufflepuff are true and unafraid of toil. And depending on what they get for the question mark, they will put those also in order, and the code is 528. The Ravenclaw puzzle number 2 has to do with the colors in these number sentences. It says in the description that they rank their students least to greatest. This is a clue for the students to put their solutions in order of least to greatest. As you can see, it goes 2, 10, 62, in the large 6-digit number. They will put those in order and put the colors that are next to those problems in that order on the color lock. For Slytherin puzzle number 3, this is a maze that they will need to find their way through from enter to exit. They will be solving some of these equations on the way, and those solutions go in the order that they occur in the maze, and that will go towards the 4-digit lock. For the Gryffindor puzzle, this is related to the Morse code. They will solve the Morse code on the sheet using the Morse code key in the top right of the screen. Once they have done so, they will find that the last word is Valor, which happens to be bolded with the Morse code that will be used for the letter lock. And there is also a Forbidden Forest puzzle number 5, which is not related to a lock. It's just extra practice for your students, and it will be kind of a fork in the road for the students because they will think that it is the answer to the 3-digit lock 000, but that is not the correct answer because the 3-digit lock is corresponded to the Hufflepuff puzzle. So once you have all of the resources put out and all the locks set, you will want to put your students into groups of 4 and 5 outside of the classroom. And once you have done this, you can let them inside, set the game timer to 45 minutes, and allow them to play and use their brains. Once the students have reached the end of the puzzle, hopefully they have unlocked all the locks and have access to this end sign, which says "Victory is ours." Make sure you take a picture of them with this and share it. Enjoy playing Race to the Hogwarts Scavenger Hunt Cup.